Hi, I would like to show you how to dry catfish without using an oven. Firstly, you would get the catfish. Add salt to immobilize it, and then proceed to gut it. Gutting it simply means to remove the intestines and all viscerals that are mostly found in its stomach. After doing this, you wash the fish properly until it's completely clean without any slime. Proceed to fold the fish. I usually fold mine without the use of sticks.
The soil hard to ground. In the rhythm we all move. Simple truth that we all under stars the night is bright, guided by their gentle light. Whispers of the wind so sweet. In these moments we meet. Every season brings a change. Life's a dance we rearrange. Find the peace in every breath. From the start until death. Oh, the harvest comes around. Hands to soil, heart to ground. In the rhythm we all move. Simple truths that we all prove. Oh, the harvest comes around. Hands to soil, heart to ground. In the rhythm we all move. Simple truths that we all prove. Oh, the harvest comes around. Hands to soil.